Chapter 3 Windows 10 Introduction. The operating system can be termed as the backbone when it comes to software. This is because it has to be there before other programs can be run. An operating system or OS is a software program that enables the computer hardware to communicate and operate with the computer software. OS controls and manages the hardware and other software on a computer. It also helps the user to interact with the computer system. Without a computer operating system, a computer and software programs would be useless. Some of different operating systems are Windows, Mac OS, Linux, etc. Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows is an operating system designed and produced by Microsoft Corporation. It provides an interface known as GUI, Graphical User Interface, for computers. It makes a computer system user-friendly and organizing information so that it can be easily accessed. The operating system uses icons and tools that simplify the complex operations performed by computers. Windows operating system comes in many versions like Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows Vista, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 and Windows 11. Microsoft Windows 11 is the latest version of Microsoft Windows. Did you know? William Bill H. Gates is the founder of Microsoft Corporation, the world's leading software company. Windows 10. Windows 10 is a Microsoft operating system that controls all the operations of a computer. One of the primary aims of Windows 10 is to unify the Windows experience across multiple devices such as desktop computers, tablets and smartphones. It is one of the most popularly used operating systems. Windows activates the computer and makes it ready to accept commands from us and execute them. Windows 10 is developed to use on personal computers including home, businesses' desktops, laptops, notebooks, tablets and media centers. It provides a graphical user interface. Important. Stephen Paul Jobs was an American inventor. He was the co-founder, chairman and chief executive officer of Apple Incorporation. The Macintosh, mainly Mac, since 1998 is a family of personal computers designed, manufactured and sold by Apple Incorporation. Mac is another famous operating system in the world. Features of Windows 10. Windows 10 include many new features mentioned below. Windows 10 has the Start menu with the live tiles. Windows 10 includes a search bar present on the taskbar that allows you to search both your local PC and the web. Windows 10 has the Microsoft Edge web browser, which is designed to replace Internet Explorer IE. While the previous version of Windows still includes IE, Edge is the default browser in Windows 10. Windows 10 includes Continuum, which automatically optimizes the user interface depending on whether you are using an external keyboard or touchscreen. Windows 10 introduces Action Center, which is similar to the notification bar. Windows 10 also supports multiple desktops on a single monitor and provides Snap Assist, a feature that helps organize windows on the screen. Note: how to start a computer. Follow the given steps to start a computer. 1. Switch on the main power button. 2. Switch on the UPS power button. 3. Switch on the CPU power button. The small light on the CPU is on and it is blinking. The light indicates that the computer is switched on. Desktop. The first screen that appears after booting the computer with Windows is called Desktop. Windows Desktop is covered with a wallpaper and contains useful items which are used frequently. Icons. The small pictures you see on the desktop are called icons. Each icon represents an object. These objects could either be a file, folder, or a program. This PC, it allows the users to explore and manage the content of your computer drives and files. Network. It allows the user to share the files or folders from one computer to another. Application icons. They are graphical images that give a quick access to the related application. Recycle bin. It collects the deleted object units. It acts like a dustbin. You can restore the deleted files whenever you want. Start button. Start button is located on the left side of the taskbar. When we click on this button, a menu appears on the screen. It is the Start menu. It has a list of headings under which programs are grouped together. Start menu. When you click on the Start button, the Start menu appears. You can start any program from this menu by clicking the left mouse button on its name. Windows 10 comes with a default set of live tiles such as alarm and clock, mail, weather, photos and calendar apps, etc. In the Start menu, these titles are present on the right-hand side of the Start menu. Taskbar. Taskbar is the horizontal bar at the bottom of the Windows desktop. On the left side, you can see the Start button, and on the right side of the taskbar, you can see the Action Center. In between, there might be some more icons. Those are not actually icons but applications or programs that are in minimized state. File and folder. All the data on your hard drive consists of files and folders. The basic difference between the two is that files store data while folders store files and subfolders. File. A file on a computer system is any block of information being stored on the drive of that system, such as hard disk, CD, DVD or pen drive. Files are used to hold all the information that makes a computer system function. They are identified by their names. For example, any text document you create and save on your computer is saved as a file. This includes music, video and other application files that contain content for the user or functions for the computer itself. Files are identified by their unique names, which can be minimum 1 character and maximum 255 characters long. Creating a file. Follow the given steps to create a file. 1. Open WordPad. It starts with a blank page. 2. Type the text which you want. 3. Click on the file, go to Save. A window appears on the screen. 4. Select the disk wherever you want to save. 5. Give a specific name to the file. 6. Click on the Save button. Your file gets created. Folder. Folder can be conceptualized as storage container in which multiple files can be placed. The folders, often referred to as directories, are used to organize files on your computer. A folder can also contain other folders, and there can be many levels of folders within folders. Folders within a folder are technically known as subfolders. Creating a folder. Follow the given steps to create a folder. 1. Click the mouse anywhere on the blank area of the desktop. You will find a pop-up menu on the screen. 2. Select the new option. 3. Click on the folder. A new folder will be created. 4. Type the name and press the Enter key. Opening a file or folder. To open any file or folder, move the mouse pointer on file or folder icon and double-click on it. Once the file or folder opens, the contents are displayed on the screen. Or right-click on the file or folder. You will find a menu with different options. Click on Open button. The file or folder will open and you can view its contents. Renaming a file or folder. Renaming means to change the name of a file or folder. Name of the folder can always be changed. Follow the given steps to rename a folder. 1. Right-click the mouse on the folder that is to be renamed. 2. Click on the Rename option. 3. Type the new name and press Enter key. The name of the folder gets changed. Moving a file or folder. You can move them by following two ways, that is, move by clicking and move by dragging. Move by clicking. Follow the given steps to move a file by clicking. 1. Select the file or folder which you want to move and right-click on it. 2. Click on the Cut option. 3. Select the location where you want to move your file. Open the folder by double-clicking on it. 4. Right-click the mouse button and select the Paste option. Move by dragging. 1. Open this PC. 2. Select the file or folder which you want to move. 3. Make sure the location where the file or folder you want to move is visible. For example, if you are moving presentation folder from desktop to project folder, you might need to resize this PC so that the desktop is visible. 4. Drag the file or folder to the destination. Your file is now placed to a new location. Deleting a file or folder. Folders that are no longer required can be removed from the desktop. To delete the folder from the desktop, follow the given steps. 1. Right-click the mouse on the folder that is to be deleted. 2. Click on the Delete option. Recovering deleted files and folders. Follow the given steps to recover deleted files and folders from Recycle Bin. 1. Open Recycle Bin folder by double-clicking the mouse on its icon. 2. Now right-click the mouse on the name of the file or folder that is to be recovered. 3. Select Restore option from the shortcut menu. Action Center. Action Center combines notifications from all of your various programs for easy viewing. The icon will turn white when a new notification comes in, such as you got an email. When you click the icon, you will see all of your latest notifications. How to shut down your computer. Follow the given steps to shut down your computer. 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Click on the Power button. 3. Click on the Shut Down button. The system will take a few seconds to shut down. In a nutshell, 1. An operating system, OS, is a software program that enables the computer hardware to communicate and operate with the computer software. 2. Windows 10 is a Microsoft operating system for personal computers, tablets, embedded devices, and Internet of Things devices. 3. Windows 10 has the Start menu with the live tiles. 4. The first screen that appears after booting the computer with Windows is called Desktop. 5. The small pictures you see on the desktop are called icons. 6. Taskbar is the horizontal bar at the bottom of the Windows desktop. 7. This PC is a rectangular area which displays the contents of a program, file or a folder. 8. A file on a computer system is any block of information being stored on the drive of that system. 9. Folder can be conceptualized as storage container in which multiple files can be placed. 10. Action Center combines notifications from all of the various programs for easy viewing. 1. Fill in